Naturally, now they're on the floor.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my tuba has the hiccups and my trumpet has the flu.
My piano lost its keys and so it's playing out of tune. My violin is fiddling around and won't play with the bells. If I want to make some music, gotta make it myself.
Sound like a trumpet,
Now like a flute. Everybody pat your knees and you can be a drum, especially if you sing along rum-ta-tum-tum-tum.
oh, my slide trombone is sneezing and my cello has a cough. My clarinet is wheezing, it sounds a little off.
They all just want to stay in bed because they're not feeling well. If I want to make some music, gotta make it myself.
Sound like a trombone,
Now be a gong.
everybody be a tuba with an oom-pa-pa. We'll be the silliest marching band you ever saw.
Band,
Chin up.
you too, magical radio listeners. March and clap. Ha-ha! Great. Now let's all be
Tubas. I'm a tuba player. You need me to start the show by playing oompa, oompa, oompa-pa. Tuba, tuba, rah, rah, rah. Ooh, let's be trombones next.
Yeah. I'm a slide trombone. This is how I go. Everyone hears me sliding along.
Rubble, rubble, how about trumpets?
All right.
I'm a trumpet playing mighty fanfares, calling everyone to march along there. To the marching band I call attention with a ta-ta-ta-ta.
Oh, could we be piccolos next?
Okay. I'm a piccolo so small and sweet. Like a birdie, I go tweet, tweet, tweet.
Like me.
Playing high notes is my specialty. Playing melodies is fun for me. Now, kids, pick your favorite instrument and we'll do all the parts together.
I'm a flying
Wow, that's terrific. But there's one problem. It's not silly enough. This is Silly Day, remember? Hey, I got kazoos for everyone. Let's do that one more time.
It should sound a lot sillier now.
Now that's certainly suitably silly.
Here was.
So when your tuba has the hiccups and your trumpet has the flu, just remember there's an instrument that's right inside of you. You can make so many different sounds and make them very well. If you want to make some music, you can make it yourself.
If I want to make some music, I can make it myself.
Yeah!
Now for a Magical Radio Silly Day Sports Update.
In today's Tiddlywinks tournament, the McNugget Buddies led the Fry Kids in Tiddlies 247-2. But the Fry Kids came back in Winks 314-6.5. And in the 3-yard dash, Hamburglar took the lead. And no one's seen it since.
Rubble, rubble, you'll have to catch me to get it.
Not so fast, Hamburglar. On regular days, we chase you. But on Silly Day, you have to chase us. What do you say, kids?
Trade!